Welcome to the best picks. The best CGM system is probably one of the most life-changing inventions for people with diabetes, offering real-time glucose data and empowering users to make informed decisions about their health. This in-depth review will explore the top features, accuracy, ease of use, and overall value of this innovative technology, helping you determine if it's the right choice for you or a loved one. Number 5. Metene TD4116 Blood Glucose Monitor. It uses advanced technology to provide accurate and reliable blood sugar readings, giving you confidence in managing your health. A control solution is included for quality checks. It's code-free and easy to use. Simply insert the strip and get your results in seconds. Clear instructions are included to guide you through the process. It only needs a tiny blood sample and provides results in just 7 seconds. This means less pain and a quicker test. It offers multiple ways to track your blood sugar levels over time, showing clear trends to help you and your doctor manage your diabetes effectively. It stores up to 450 readings. It features a large, easy-to-read display and customizable reminders to help seniors manage their blood sugar effectively. It makes testing simple and convenient for everyone. What we like? It provides accurate and reliable results with a code-free design and a large display. If you value simplicity and speed in your blood glucose testing, this is a great option. It's especially suitable for seniors who need a clear, easy-to-read display and simple operation. What people say? The display is nice and easily readable. Mine came with 2 batteries, only one is needed, 100 testing strips and 100 lancets along with the automatic plunger. It also has a test solution to confirm the meter works correctly, and a zippered bag to keep everything together. Simple to use, accurate, easy to read, inexpensive and readily available replacement strips, which require a tiny amount of blood, about half what other strips I've seen use. This is a very easy to use blood glucose tester. There are enough mini needles and blood samplers to last for months without replenishing. And easy to replace batteries, etc. Number 4. Ascensia Contour Next Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to start managing your diabetes effectively. It includes a glucose meter, test strips, and helpful tools for accurate and convenient blood glucose testing. It provides accurate readings to help you manage your diabetes. You'll get personalized insights into your blood glucose levels, including daily, weekly, and monthly averages. Testing is quick and easy with a 5-second countdown timer. It's ready to use right out of the box, making daily testing simple and convenient. It features a second chance sampling option. This allows you to add more blood within 30 seconds, saving you money and test strips. It eliminates the need for coding, making it simple and error-free. You'll get clear, easy-to-read results in seconds. The kit comes with everything you need: meter, test strips, lancing device, lancets, logbook, carrying case, and more. Everything is ready to go. What we like? This system is known for its accuracy and speed, providing results in seconds. The second chance sampling feature helps prevent waste. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient system that minimizes waste, this is a good choice for you. What people say? The batteries were included. The quick start guide was easy. Simply take your time to read through it to set date, time, etc. Once you slip the test strip in the unit automatically turns on. The unit gives you the opportunity to identify if you are fasting, before meal, or after meal, or none, for each test. As soon as you put the blood on the strip, then a little clock timer comes on the screen for a few seconds, then the reading shows up. This is an incredibly user-friendly glucose monitor. It is also very accurate, similar readings to what I get at the lab. Insert then test strip into the monitor to turn it on, and put the test strip against the drop of blood on your finger to take the sample. The blood gets sucked up into the test strips window automatically. The test strips for this glucose monitor are affordable, so are the lancets. First of all, the meter is extremely easy to set up. It comes with everything you need to get started. I used this right away and did 2 tests which were within 1 point, and I knew the reading was correct based on the symptoms I began to have. This meter also only requires a small amount of blood. Number 3. iHealth Gluco Plus Kit. It stores up to 500 readings, and you can access unlimited readings on your iOS or Android device via the free app. Seamlessly manage your blood glucose history and share results with your healthcare team. Get accurate results in just 5 seconds with a tiny blood sample. The adjustable lancet device provides a nearly painless testing experience. It's sleek, compact, and has a rechargeable battery, perfect for on-the-go use. The carrying case adds extra convenience. It has a user-friendly design with built-in alerts for high and low blood sugar levels. The bright display makes it easy to read results. The kit includes the monitor, lancing device, 100 lancets, 100 test strips, USB charging cable, carrying case, instruction manuals, a 12-month warranty, and friendly customer service. What we like? It offers wireless syncing to your smartphone for easy data management and portability. If you need a convenient and portable system for on-the-go monitoring, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to easily track their blood glucose levels and share data with their healthcare provider. What people say. It's easy to use and understand right out of the box. It's a reliable tool for managing blood sugar levels. It's nice that it doesn't need a lot of blood for an accurate reading. The app is amazing and you can upload offline measurements, and it makes it easy to calibrate your continuous monitors with this. It is very fast to read glucose levels and seems to be very accurate. The app is clean, easy to navigate, and syncs quickly with the device, which makes tracking my blood sugar levels pretty convenient. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. KETO-MOJO GK Plus Kit. It's the complete kit for accurate ketone and glucose testing. Get fast, reliable results to manage your health effectively. It provides fast and precise readings, trusted by healthcare professionals and used in numerous clinical trials. See how lifestyle choices impact your levels. Everything you need is included: meter, strips, lancets, and more. Start testing right away with ease. It seamlessly syncs with the MyMojo Health app for easy tracking, trend analysis, and data sharing. Integrates with other health apps too. Individually wrapped strips maintain sterility. It auto-detects strip types for consistent, reliable results, minimizing errors. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and responsive US-based support. Access a wealth of free resources to guide your journey. What we like? This system allows you to test both glucose and ketones, providing a comprehensive view of your metabolic health. The smart app integration simplifies tracking and data sharing. If you follow a ketogenic or low-carb diet or have diabetes, this is a great tool for you. What people say. Setup is incredibly simple. Download the free app, remove the plastic battery strip, batteries included, and then sync time, date, etc. from the app to the testing hardware. It's that simple. Really. The instructions are very clear, and there are also a number of excellent instructional videos on KETO-MOJO's YouTube page, at KETO-MOJO7147. First, it is FDA approved, and to achieve that it needs to be proven accurate. Unlike most meters, even glucose-only meters, it comes with calibration fluid. Second, I tested it against a blood glucose meter and they tested within 5 of each other. It also comes with calibration for the keto side. For $45 you get a case, semi-hard, the monitor, with light on the end to illuminate the blood draw area, and strip eject slide, with Bluetooth capabilities mobile app, that calcs GCI, it displays individual sets of readings with both a graph and explanation of how ketogenic you are, stores, readings and graphs trends in glucose, ketones, and GKI, enables hiding experimental food readings you don't want included in the trend, batteries, finger stick, top. Notch with lancet eject, bunch of lancets, 20 glucose and 20 keto strips, calibration fluid for both glucose and keto, a quick start guide, and lots of stuff nobody reads, but no alcohol pads, which I don't use anyway. Number 1. CDS A1C Home Test Kit. Managing your health is now easier than ever. This kit provides accurate and convenient A1C monitoring from the comfort of your home. It's simple to use. Follow the step-by-step instructions for reliable results. Get the information you need to better manage your health. Get precise A1C readings in the privacy of your own home. This helps you stay on top of your health goals. No more appointments or long waits. It fits seamlessly into your daily routine for stress-free monitoring. Empower yourself with knowledge. It provides the tools you need to make informed decisions about your health. With its easy-to-follow instructions and convenient design, it simplifies the process of A1C monitoring. Take charge of your well-being today. What we like? This kit offers a simple and convenient way to monitor your A1C levels from home. If you are looking for an easy way to monitor your long-term blood sugar control, this is a suitable option for you. It simplifies the process of A1C testing, making it accessible for home use. What people say. Works very well. It is easy to use and has been accurate so far. Worked great and accurate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.